guys, so I'm at Kampang Baru Masjid in Kampang Baru, KL. Look at this. Everyone's getting ready for Iftar. They're giving away food. People queuing up for the food to break our fast. I'm gonna show you. Let me go a bit more closer. I'm gonna show you. Hello, how are you? Salaam alaikum. The drinks they're giving out. Salaam alaikum. So these are the drinks. Got more drinks here. So this is like a drink station, guys. You pick up your drinks, take a seat, sit here outside, as you can see, and also the inside of the masjid is all packed. Look at this, beautiful. Wow. Now, guys, it all depends on when you see this video, because I got loads of videos that I need to post, and you might even be seeing this after Ramadan, so I'm not too sure. Guys, so I'm gonna queue up now, get my food. I'm gonna sit with the locals and eat. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum. Chef. Hello, chef. How are you? You okay?
Yeah, pardon?
Yeah?
What?
Are you okay? How are you?
Okay, fine, thank you.
Okay, I want good, MashaAllah. Deshi bhai. Besh khoride ho bhai, besh khoride ho bhai re.
Oh, beshi.
Beshi do.
Taba?
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Hey, rice, tamba.
That's Tura rice. Yes. I'm very hungry today.
Hungry today, huh? Okay.
Being a bit cheeky, guys. Cheeky. Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, there you go. Let me show you the inside as well quickly. Inside, this is the meat.
Yes, a beef.
Beef.
Biryani beef.
Biryani beef.
Yes.
Nice. Ooh, God damn, that looks so good. MashaAllah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, happy
Thank
day.
you. And here are the ready ones here. Guys, look at this. It's the same thing over there? Nice, thank you. Salaam alaikum. So, does this happen every day?
Yeah, every day.
Every day for Ramadan?
For Ramadan.
For all the people here
Yes.
in KL?
Every day 1,000 packs.
1,000 people, MashaAllah.
Today beef, tomorrow will be lamb, and the other day will be alternate will be chicken.
Chicken.
So we rotate these 3 menu. So every day.
What was your name, brother?
My name is Azizul.
Azizul. Nice to meet you, bro.
Thank you, brother.
I'm doing a YouTube video
Okay.
for Ramadan in Malaysia, Indonesia. How it's like for people here in KL for Ramadan, and what kind of facilities you guys do, which is amazing. Really good.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much. Inshallah, I'll see you after Iftar.
Inshallah, brother.
Jazakallah khair. So guys, this I showed you before last time. This is the kitchen. I'll show you quickly. This is where they cook. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother? You are chef?
Yes.
You are chef, MashaAllah. Number 1 chef? You are number 1 chef?
Yeah, no, 2.
Number 2 chef?
Yes.
What is your name, brother?
Very Ajmi.
Ferry Ajmi?
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Very
Where you
nice,
from,
very nice.
bro?
I'm from England, my brother. England. I come to do YouTube video to show Kuala Lumpur,
Yeah.
the Muslim countries,
Yeah, mashallah.
and Ramadan. How it's
Takbir.
like. Allahu Akbar. Nice. What's this, Baya? What's inside there? Oh, so more pillar rice. Nice. And this is where they cook. You cook here? Cook?
Yeah.
They cook here, yes. Nice. And where are you from, brother?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh? Deshi bhai. কেমন আছো ভাই? ভালো?
Alhamdulillah, ভালো।
দেশের বাড়ি কোথায়?
সিরাজগঞ্জ।
সিরাজগঞ্জ। আমি ভাই সিলেট থাকি। সিলেট।
ও, সিলেট।
সব কিছু ঠিক আছে?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
ওকে, সমস্যা নাই, থ্যাংক ইউ ভাই। এই কি করে? এই বইনে কি করে? Oh, she's cleaning. So she's cleaning these big pots, which is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, guys, let me go and sit down and enjoy this meal, inshallah. Look, they got plenty of food, guys, for 1,000 people.
Where are you from?
I'm from England, brother.
From which
London.
part of England, bro?
Huh?
Which part of England? London.
London, East London. I'm from East London, brother.
I finished my degree in Newcastle.
Newcastle, oh, mashallah, nice. Newcastle is very far.
Yeah.
Very
8
far.
hours, I think.
Yeah, out the city. Yeah, it's up north. Where sounds
Any beef or lamb?
beef. Which one's lamb?
Lamb or beef?
Beef. Yeah, I got this beef. It's the
Okay,
same over there, right?
Yeah, same.
Yeah, that's enough for me. More than enough. I'm sitting here. This is the place I'm sitting. Gonna sit with everyone. This place is gonna be packed full of people. Beautiful. But I also need to get myself a juice. Assalamu alaikum. What juice is this? Name of the juice? Shirab. Shirab. Okay, it's like a I'm not too sure how to explain it. What's this, tea? This is tea? Tea? And then what's this big one there? This one? Huh? Supagando. Oh, sugar cane.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Maybe watermelon.
Watermelon. Which one's the best one?
This one is best.
Huh?
This one is best.
Okay. Maybe give me one of those, brother. Inshallah. Look at this ice. Full of ice. Nice. MashaAllah. Shabab. MashaAllah. Doing a lot of work for the masjid. Nice. So as you can see, the queue goes all the way back there. I'm gonna skip the drink for now. I'm gonna go take a seat because this queue's too long. Let the queue quiet down a little bit. But look at this. Beautiful. Soon after we break our fast, we're gonna go inside the masjid and I'll show you also what's inside. Guys, so I'm gonna show you where they go and do ablution, where you clean yourself before you pray. It's just over here at the back side. Plenty of people sitting with their families. This is like more of a family section. And then this is where you wash yourself, guys. Okay, you can't come to the masjid dirty. So as you can see, people standing up, doing wudu, and then there's people here that can sit down and do ablution as well. And there's a big pool here, but I'm not too sure why. I know maybe you can bath in there. I'm joking, you can't do no baths in there. And then you've got the toilets just over there. I don't need to go to toilet, I have wudu already, I just need to wash my hands. So lovely, hands are all clean. Atmosphere is absolutely beautiful, honestly. This guy's amazing views. Look at, it's nearly packed. Everyone's sitting down together, ready to break their fast. Absolutely beautiful, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is the beauty of Islam. We sit together, we eat together. Soon we're gonna go in there, we're gonna go and pray. And look at this, it's just, I just can't get over this. Look at this. Wow.
الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين صلى الله عليه وسلم. الحمد لله. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا
With the food. Now we have to put these plates where they belong. So everyone's just chucking on the plate. Leave it here. Now we've got to go and wash the hands. It's a bit of a queue. Bit of a queue here. Long queue, guys. Gonna go and wash the hands quickly. And I'm gonna take you inside when we pray, inshallah. It's time to pray, guys. finished praying. So that's how you break fast here in Kuala Lumpur. That's the quick process of how things happen. And of course, what a beautiful masjid, guys. Beautiful people, beautiful environment of KL. Hey guys, there you go. Quick look at what Muslims do in the masjid at iftar time. So enough of me, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog, inshallah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.